Look at that, 8 of Cups. I told you. They're going to walk away from this person, whoever it is, you know, and I see that right now they're just focusing on themselves. They're trying to put in the work, trying to make sure stability-wise they're going to be okay, especially if this is a marriage or some type of, like, commitment that, you know, they were in with someone else. But I'm seeing here that they're afraid they're not going to have a new beginning with you. And so they're trying their best not to look back in the past, but they do want things to improve with you, Gemini. And it's like they're coming out of being frustrated because I see that they're going to take a stand. They're coming towards you. They want to work this out, but they're afraid that the same way they left you out in the cold, the same way they dropped you and stayed in the situation that they were in, they're afraid if they come back to speak their truth, you're going to do them the same exact way. Somebody could be dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or a Sagittarius. See, justice. Somebody could be dealing with a Libra, but I'm telling you, your justice is going to be served. They're going through their karma right now, but I feel like this person, they want to know how you feel about them. See, somebody's definitely dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or a Libra. But they're feeling like, okay, because in the past, they were being sneaky. They were doing that whole in and out thing with you. This is why they're feeling like, okay, if I go back to Gemini, Gemini's going to come off really cold and harsh because I've really messed up. See, there's fear here. Somebody could be dealing with a Capricorn. Ooh, next to the Emperor. Ooh, that's some manipulation at its finest. Oof. This person has some codependent behaviors. Maybe this person couldn't move forward because the person that they were dealing with is very controlling as well, you know. But you could be dealing with an Aries, but ooh, I don't like that energy. It's a lot of pride with this person. It's crossed with the High Priestess. You see what I'm saying? It's like 1 minute they're listening to their intuition, the next minute they're not. I'm telling you, whoever they were dealing with, very controlling energy. Very controlling. It's not good. And see, they're going to break free from this person. Because they're coming out of being frustrated about them. And once they break free, they're coming to give you an offer. And they're going to be confident about it. But see, what happened is they were being very sneaky in the past with this individual. And that's why they're afraid the seeds that they planted with you, they're not going to grow. They're feeling like you don't want to build with them anymore. But I'm seeing that they're coming out of being frustrated about it because they want a victory with you. And so in order to have a victory, they're going to rush back in, Gemini. But this person, they're in their head. They're afraid that they're not going to have a new opportunity with you. You know, because they've been back and forth with some type of family situation. And I'm going to be honest with y'all, that was the first card that came out when I pulled from the Romance Oracle deck. I was healing family issues. This person is going through some type of family situation and they're trying to get out of it. Whether or not it's like they have a family with like a love interest, that like they're married, relationship, or if it's like their mom, sister, brother, like that type of family situation. They're trying to get out of it. Because even the way the Ten of Cups just came out, they know that they want to be with you, but they feel in their mind it's tricky because they have to remove themselves from this family dynamic. That's why they're not talking to you. So I'm seeing here that they're going to make a decision. Look at that. If this person is in a commitment or they're married, I'm telling you, they're getting out of it. Somebody could be dealing with a Taurus. See, Two of Cups reversed is trying to jump out of my hands. I'm telling y'all, they're getting out of some type of commitment. They are. Could be dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. But this person is sad because of what they did to you in the past. Because of this family situation here. They want to make things right. Y'all, I can't make this up. I'm telling you, there is a family situation. There's some type of home living situation going on. And they're trying to figure this out because they want out. They don't want this anymore. They feel like they got involved with this person for all the wrong reasons. And see, look, it's like they want a new beginning with you. It's like you both want the same thing, but whoever they're involved with is holding on tight to them. Yep, they're holding on really tight. See, they feel stuck with this person. This is the third party individual. This could be the mother, a mother figure, mother of their child. It could be a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. But there's somebody here that is holding on, and they're tired of them. They want out. They want out. Gemini, again, you could be dealing with another Gemini. But this person, they know that you're their soulmate. You know, I feel like whoever I'm talking to, I feel like they are in a situation with like a karmic soulmate. So it's somebody they dealt with in a past life. They came into each other's lives to teach each other lessons, but that connection is so crazy, it's so strong. They just went quickly and they jumped, you know, and they just either got married or they feel like they got stuck because they have a child or children or they have money tied in, you know, so now they have to break free. Because, yeah, this person is afraid that even though they want things to improve with you, Gemini, they're afraid it's not going to happen. But this person is also worried about their money because I'm telling you, they're trying to get away from this other individual, but something with their finances, you know, is not right. It's not balanced. See, this person isn't happy because they didn't do right by you. They didn't balance things out. And see, they're coming back to turn things around, but I have 2 6s here. This is some type of family situation going on for someone. And this is why they're not positive if you're going to take them back. You could be dealing with a Leo, but I'm seeing that this person, they're going to have the strength to come towards you, but they're afraid it's too late. They're afraid they're not going to have a new beginning with you, and that's why they're isolating themselves from you right now, Gemini. Could be dealing with a Virgo. This person, I'm telling you, they're focusing on themselves right now, focusing on money. But when they come back, I feel like they're going to give you a small offer because if they are in a situation to where they just can't immediately leave and get out, or if they can get out, they have something tied to this person, so it's going to take a second for them to figure it out. They know they can't just jump into a relationship with you, and they know you don't trust them, so they're going to have to try to rebuild, you know, what's been lost. So that's where that small offer is coming in, but they're afraid you're not going to take it. They're afraid you don't want them anymore. See? Somebody's dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius, but I'm telling you, they're going to have to break things off with whoever they were in a situation with. This is the problem. I feel like that's why they're going to give you a small offer, because they can't give you the big one just yet. That, look, see, they're not taking a leap. They're not. Because right now, they feel like they're not going to have anything to give to you, because they're trying to figure things out with this other person. See, it's about their money. I'm telling you, they're feeling like they're not financially stable, or they're not going to be once this person is done with them. Ooh, this energy. So they're coming out of being frustrated, but they're trying to make a decision because they feel like, yes, they know they left you out in the cold in the past, and they want to work things out. They want to heal things with you, but they also feel like they're going to get left out in the cold financially speaking. That's why I told you guys they're focusing on them right now. They're trying to make sure financially speaking they're okay. This is why they're not moving forward right now. They're still going through their lessons, Gemini. See, I'm telling you, this was definitely a lesson, hands down. Hands down, this was their lesson. I told you, I feel like they married a karmic, some type of like karmic soulmate. It was just a big lesson. So they have to go through this. Let them go through it, so that way, when they come back to you, and if you decide to take them back, it's like things are gonna change drastically. But the decision is up to you. But I feel like this person is having a hard time right now. Because, see, they're still moving slow. Spirit, anything that you want my Geminis to know. Yeah, see, this person, they can't stop thinking about you. They can't, you know. And they know that they're going to have to work really, really hard to come towards you. But, see, I can't make this up. Y'all, there are 2 women here. There are 2 women. You're the main female. You could be the main male, but then there's a privileged lady, could be a privileged man, but there's somebody in the way. I told y'all this is something pertaining to money, you know? And this is why they're trying to figure out what to do, because it's like they want to be with you, but they could be in a commitment or a marriage with someone else for some of you guys. And this is the concern, you know? I'm telling y'all, the number 6, there's a family situation. You know, they're the official person. You see the number 22 that equals out to a 4. They're the official person of their home, you know, family. And so they know that in order to be with you, they're going to have to make a change if they want this to work out. See? Even though they've kept their distance from you, because they could live at a distance, I'm telling you, they're making plans to come back, Gemini. This person definitely wants to be with you. The courtship card tried to jump out. So I'm telling you, this person wants to start over. They want to date you. But see, they're making plans because they're coming back to give you a message. You know? So they're coming back to make this right. But as of right now, they have to get out of this situation. There's someone else that is holding on. And that just is another confirmation from what I saw in part 1. But please leave me some comments. It doesn't matter, part 1 or part 2. It's fine. Let me know what's going on. All right, Gemini, I love you guys, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.